COLOURLOCK Alcantara and Textile Care Kit is for all textiles. If it's synthetic, nature, microfiber, cotton, whatever, this product can help you to clean and care your textile. On an armchair or sofa, in a car, Alcantara steering wheel as well, all of this kind of materials. What is in the kit? One sponge, the Alcantara and textile cleaner, the waterproofing spray water-based, and a cleaning brush. How to use it? Open here the safety switch and spray the Alcantara and textile cleaner from stitches to stitches, more or less even. If you have a stain, for example here, then spray a little bit more. Go over the whole surface from stitches to stitches. I mean, in a car it's a bit easier, you have smaller areas, but on a sofa you have bigger areas. So for example, here is a stain. I did a bit more product there, so massage in with a sponge, and the rest also go over this. Work the textile Alcantara and textile cleaner in this. Now let it for 5 till 10 minutes, sucks in and starting to remove the stain and the dirt. After 5 till 10 minutes, take a warm water bucket. Warm water is around about 30 degrees, 90 Fahrenheit, also 30 Celsius, 90 Fahrenheit, and wipe the surface and remove all the dirt and the cleaner. Do this so long that you don't have any foam on the surface. This could take a while, so 15-20 minutes sometimes you need to remove all the textile cleaner, the Alcantara and textile cleaner. Then let it dry, and when it's dry you can apply waterproofing spray on water-based. This is now wet, so I will use this area. Also open the safety button here and then just spray 15-20 centimeters far away from the surface, an even layer of waterproofing spray. You can dry it with a hair dryer. Don't make it too hot, don't burn the textile, but you can let it dry also on air. And look for a good ventilation, that you don't have too much impregnation or waterproofing spray in the air and you're healthy. Thanks for watching, take care, bye bye.